In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort Google tasks by date. If you're managing to-dos in Google's ecosystem, getting them in the right order can make a big difference. The good news is that sorting your tasks by due date is quick and consistent, whether you're using Gmail or Google Calendar on your computer. I'll walk you through exactly what to do and share a few tips so everything lines up the way you expect. Start by opening Gmail or Google Calendar in your browser. On the right-hand side, you'll see the Tasks panel. This is the small sidebar that shows your current task list and any lists you've created. Click to open it so you can view your tasks. At the top of your task list, look for the List Options button. It's the three vertical dots that open a small menu for the list you're viewing. Click that, and then under Sort By, choose Date. The moment you select Date, your tasks will automatically reorder based on their due dates. There's nothing else you need to confirm. Google Tasks applies the sort immediately, so the most time-sensitive items are front and center. A few important things will help your list sort correctly. First, tasks need a due date to be included in the date-based order. If a task doesn't have a date, Google can't place it on the timeline, so it won't factor into the main sort. You can fix that anytime by opening a task and adding a due date so it falls into the right spot. Next, keep an eye on overdue tasks. Anything that's past its due date appears at the top of your list under a section labeled Past. This makes it easy to see what needs attention first. Current and upcoming tasks follow in chronological order, so you can scan down the list and plan your day or week at a glance. Tasks with no date are collected at the very bottom. This is normal and helpful for items that aren't time-bound, but if you want them to participate in the sort, simply add dates when you're ready. And if you ever prefer to arrange items manually again, you can switch back to My Order at any time using that same List Options menu. That returns control to you for drag-and-drop organization. That's all there is to it. Open Gmail or Google Calendar, go to the Tasks panel, choose List Options, and select Date under Sort By. With your tasks neatly ordered, you'll spend less time shuffling and more time getting things done.